As long as there's no charge moving, and we're dealing with solid conductors, so we have static electric fields, charges are not heavily moving, then the field inside the conductor is always zero. Not the case in a non-conductor. It's only in a conductor, because conductors have free electrons to move, and if these free electrons see electric fields inside, which they may, they start to move until they experience no longer a force, thereby they kill the electric field inside. So the charge in the conductor always rearranges itself so that the electric field becomes zero, if the field is a static field, not rapidly changing. And so now, I want to evaluate with you the situation that I'm going to charge a solid conductor and ask myself the question, where does the charge go? In honor of Valentine's Day, let's take a solid hard, steel hard. It's solid all the way throughout. So this is a solid conductor, and I bring on this conductor charge from the outside. Plus or minus, let's just take plus for now. And so the question that I'm asking you now, this is a conductor, this is not an insulator. The story for insulators is totally different. This has free moving electrons inside. I'm asking you now, if I touch this conducting hard, by the way, your heart is a very good conductor. If you touch this conducting hard, where would this charge end up? Where would it go to? And I leave you with three choices. And we'll have a vote on that. The first choice is that the plus charges would uniformly distribute throughout. The possibility. The second possibility, less likely I think, that all the charge will go to one place there. I don't know which place that would be, but maybe. And then the third possibility is that maybe the charge will uniformly distribute itself only on the outer surface. And then the fourth possibility is none of the above. All these suggestions I made were wrong. Who would think that the charge might uniformly distribute it throughout the conductor? I see one or two hands. That's good. Don't feel ashamed of raising your hands. In the worst case, you're wrong. I've been so many times wrong when it comes to this. Don't feel bad about that. Who thinks that the charge will all go to one point in the heart? You have the courage? You think it will go to one point? Charge repels each other, right? But that doesn't seem likely. Who thinks that it will uniformly distribute itself on the outer surface? Who thinks none of the above? Very good. Well, those who suggested that it might be uniform on the outside, I would still give them a B, but it's not uniform, as you will see. But it will go exclusively